think of baking breads, we typically think of a nice hot oven. But if you cook breads like biscuits and cornbread and yeast rolls in a combi oven, that additional moisture is going to make the outside crusty, but it's going to keep that inside of that bread nice and tender. So let's take a look at making some Southern style cornbread. So here in this bowl we have our dry ingredients. We have our cornmeal, we have our flour, we have baking powder, salt, all of our dry ingredients. So we're just going to give this bowl a nice big stir. Over here to my right, I have combined all of my liquid ingredients. So my non-fat dry milk, my water, my eggs are all over here. So we're going to add our liquid ingredients to our dry. Pour this in, mix this up nicely. Get this in. There we go. Set that aside. And we're going to give this a stir. So we're going to give this a nice stir. We're combining our liquid ingredients with our dry ingredients. Cornbread, Southern style cornbread is actually a quick bread. So we're going to have a nice quick rise, a nice spring in the oven. Now, before we transfer this cornbread over to our pan, we want to be sure to spray it with food release. So that really helps us with cleanup. So we're going to get all the corners, and then we're going to get the middle of our pan. Go. Set that aside. I'm going to have you help me pour this into the pan. If you just lift the bottom. It's teamwork, right? Teamwork in the kitchen, yeah. This batter come on into our pan. This pan is going to provide 100 1-ounce servings or 52-ounce servings of cornbread for our students. Let's get it all out. Notice I'm using a spatula to get it all out of my mixing bowl. Excellent job. Thank you for your assistance. All right, there we go. Now we're going to move our batter around the pan. Move that like this. We want our batter to be even in the pan. Now a little trick that you may not know about cornbread, and that is once you get it in the pan, let it sit. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you're going to get a nice soft cornbread on the center and crusty on the outside using our combi mode. All right, y'all ready to get this in the oven? Okay, let's get it in the oven. Oh, our cornbread's ready. Let's check it. All right, let's get our mitts on. Reach in here and let's take a look at our product. Oh, it looks good. Looks very good. A nice big pan of cornbread. Again, nice and golden brown and crunchy on the outside, but soft in the center. Good job.